Welcome to our data cleaning services. Transform your raw data into actionable insights with our expert data cleaning and preparation. Get started today with professional data cleaning that ensures accuracy and reliability. Our comprehensive data cleaning services turn raw data into insightful information. We remove duplicates, correct errors, handle missing values, and standardize formats to prepare your data for analysis. Start your journey towards clean data today. We offer tailored data cleaning services to meet your specific needs. Choose from our basic data cleaning for small data sets, standard data cleaning for medium data sets, and premium data cleaning for large or complex data sets. Find the perfect fit for your project. When you work with us, expect high-quality data cleaning, quick turnaround times, detailed reports of the cleaning process, and clear communication throughout your project. Experience the difference with our professional data cleaning services. Our data cleaning process follows a step-by-step approach: assessment to understand your data, cleaning to remove errors and inconsistencies, validation to ensure accuracy, and delivery of a ready-to-use data set. Learn more about how we ensure your data is clean and reliable. Choose our services for expertise, reliability, and results. With over 2 decades of experience in data analysis and cleaning, our expert team is dedicated to delivering the best outcomes for your data needs. Join our satisfied clients and see why we are